Alright, hey guys, so I got another Zippo video here for you. So basically I'm gonna be reviewing a new Zippo, so let's get started. This is a matte blue Zippo. You can see it says Zippo logo. 229 ZL is the product number. Zippo manufactured company, Barber Street, Bradford, PA. Obviously, genuine Zippo. There it is. I've been using this one, and you can see a couple oil from fingers touching it and stuff. Very nice Zippo. Yeah. This one is made 2014 of O. Kind of showed this in the last video. Take the insert out. Okay, so here's the insert. This was made C of 14. Alright. Put that back in there. Okay, so there's that. Here's the guarantee that comes with all Zippos. If you don't get this, then you pretty much just got ripped off. There's the guarantee. Let me just open it up for you. Okay. So, shows you how to fill it basically. Here's the guarantee right here. Genuine Zippo Improved Lighter. Yep. Made in the USA. Zippo. Alright. And obviously I got an extra Zippo wick. Zippo fluid. Genuine obviously. And then here's the lighter I reviewed yesterday. Ice Diamond Zippo. Yep. Put these back in the box. So, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. Comment, subscribe. I got a whole bunch of new Zippos coming. So, yeah. If you want to see any Zippos that you want me to review, just comment it and I'll purchase it if I have the money at that time, and I'll buy it. Alright guys, have a wonderful evening, and just subscribe, just do it, you're there. I'll make my life easier and you could enjoy my videos. Alright, thanks, bye.